Hey, what's up, guys? Food is love, food is life. Who doesn't like it? If you like my content video, please click the bell, subscribe my channels. Today I'm going to make a spicy chicken sandwich because last night I dreamed about it. So right now I'm so hungry right now, and I know everyone is hungry too. Everyone cannot go out to eat something right now because of the virus, and it's kind of hard to make it at home, but don't worry about it. You will see my video. It's very easy, it's very common to make a fried chicken at home, and it is very cheap meal. You guys can buy it like $3 or $4 to make a lot of chicken sandwich, and you guys can add anyone you like. You guys can make any sauce you want. You guys don't have to worry about what you don't like. So it's pretty much easy, man. It's so easy. It is the single life in the world. You have to do something with that. What we have like three or four piece of chicken tenders. We have a flowers, and this one is the magic ones. You guys need to have it. This one's a cornstarch. It make your fries pretty much easy. And this one is my favorite sauce. Oh, come on, man, this one is so good. I cannot have chicken without this one. This one just one drop does it. The man is so good. I really love the buffalo wings right now, but I cannot go out to eat it. So I'm gonna go make some buffalo wing later. You guys will see it. But right now, I'm gonna put a lot of this sauce on it. You guys can try it. Wow, man, that's so good. So that one is very cheap chicken sandwich you guys can make. This one costs like $3, less than $4 for four-piece chicken, like a big tenders, and this one costs like $1. This one I bought it was 99 cents. This one like $1.99. So the whole meal is very cheap. It's like maybe $6, but you can have a lot of chicken. So this one is very cheap meat in the world. But if you guys know where is the cheapest chicken sandwich, you can comment below. Uh, I'm now gonna put like some of the flour. Yeah, got it. Oh wow, I wanna put all of them right now. Cornstarch. Cornstarch, you're going to put like 2 spoons. That's it, or three, a little bit more. That's enough. Okay. For chicken, we're gonna put a little bit of sugar, or you guys can put more if you like sweet. So I've just put a little bit right now, and also a little bit of salt. You guys can put any ingredients you want. Just don't just don't worry about it. Yeah, and the last thing is this one, man. This one. Oh God. Ah. Ja, 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 ja. Ah. Wow. Mm. Man, it smells good right now. Ah, I cannot wait to eat a chicken sandwich right now. Hmm. I know you guys will like it. A lot of people like the buffalo. A lot of people like the buffalo sauce. Yeah, see? It looks good now. See that? Wow. That easy made. You guys. You guys can try it at home one time. It's very cheap meal. It's very cheap meal in the world. I forget one thing, you guys. Eggs. This one is the favorite one. If you guys like it, just put one or two. That make your 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 flour is better. It's good. and make your chicken tender taste good. Mm. See that? Mm. Wow. Mm. Now chicken is done. We're going to fry it right now. Let's go meet our fryer. Guys, don't stuck at home. If you want to eat something, just make it yourself. Okay, this is our fryer. Hey, Mr. Fryer. So it's easy to do it. So grab the chicken like that, put it in the flour, smash it in, smash the chicken in like this. Ah, it's done. When you put in the fryer, just be careful, okay? Ah, it's cooking right now. Be careful, okay? When we cooking it, we have to fry it, deep fry it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Because this one's just chicken tenders, so it won't take that long. So don't put it too long, otherwise your chicken is not juicy anymore. You know, it's gonna be very dry, but it more crispy if you like it that way. Yeah. You see how good it is, how easy it is, man. It's easy to make it, guys. It's so easy. Come on, guys. You can follow it and you can make one at home. It's very easy and it's very cheap meal, guys. Now I can smell the fry right now. It smells so hungry, guys. If you guys hungry, come on, don't be hesitated. Just go and buy the chicken. It's very simple, guys. I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's been a long time. I have never go out to eat something right now. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. Let's check it out. It's been 3 minutes already. See that? 3 minutes. Our chicken look very good. Look very good. You guys hungry now? Right now we have to wait like about 5 or 6 minutes more to make the chicken is well done. Okay, now 7 minutes already. So I'm going to check my chicken tenders. See is it cooked or is it not cooked. Sometimes if your chicken is big, your chicken tender is bigger, you guys can put to 10 minutes or 12 minutes. It doesn't matter. But don't put it too long. It's gonna be very dry out. Okay. You see, look at the chicken right now. Look at the chicken, bro. Look at it. Ah, I can smell the buffalo chicken right now. Ah, I can smell hungry right now. Wow. Woo. Chicken is done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so juicy. It's well done. Look at this. See? But I'm gonna put a little bit more in the fryer. Make sure it is well done, guys. Okay? You cannot eat raw chicken, man. Look at the other one. See this? This one is good. This one is good, better than that one. This one is completely done. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any uh, uncooked part. So it's kind of done, guys. We're going to slice some veggie. All this veggie gonna go in the sandwich. Make a very good sandwich. You guys can add tomatoes. You guys can add cheese. That's right now. We're gonna make our chicken sandwich. Look at this bun. Its bun is cost less than 50 cents. Like two of them, like 50 cents. So you guys can make very cheap chicken sandwich at home, man. Try it. Try it. Believe me, it's gonna be very easy, and you're gonna love it. You guys will like it. You're gonna do it more and more again. Let's go. Look at this. Wow. Yummy, huh? Wow, guys. Look at this. I cannot eat sandwich without pop. Wow. Cook with a sandwich. That is a wonderful thing. Guys, you want to try it? Look at this. Look at this. See? Look at this, man. The buffaloes are so good. Buffalo sauce with the chicken. I like that. Mm. Look at that chicken tenders. Do you guys want some? It's the best chicken sandwich at home. It's the best chicken sandwich. No, another piece. Another piece. You guys want another piece right now? buffalo sauce, so good. Buffalo sauce. See that? See that buffalo sauce? Mm. 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 A little spicy around the mouth, a little bit. So good. Mm. 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 It's so good. It's so full right now. It's so good, man. Chicken is so good. I know you guys hungry, but you guys have to make one at home right now. I'm full right now. I cannot eat anymore. It's so much energy. It's so much. Okay, see you guys next time. If you guys like my content video, please click the bell and subscribe my channel. You guys will get all my notifications. Okay, go ahead. Come on, guys.